Feel that bass around the block. It's time to rewind.
My top loader Sylvania VCR is back up and fully working again. I repaired the video. There was something wrong with the video before, and it was a tape alignment problem. And it was these tape guides right here that I had to adjust with a flathead screwdriver. And now it's able to play in 3 speeds again. I'm going to show you all of 3 speeds. Let's start with the SP. Alright. Now let's try the LP speed. That works. Last one. I'll fast forward a little bit. Play. You're just adjusting. Oh. Reverse search it. Now reverse search is working. I had to clean one of the idler tires. Oh yeah, tracking thing, I gotta fix that. See a good photo. Sorry about that line up there, there's nothing I can do about that. But now everything is fully working. But if I ever see a video problem again, it's not gonna be the tape guys. All I have to do is adjust the manual tracking. Very nice display. The display is still in very good condition. Sorry about that static. It was supposed to do that anyway. I just wanted to make a compliment. Hang on. Oh. What the hell? me check the tracking, see if it's doing something. I accidentally pressed reverse search. What the hell is it doing? Oh, that's just a spliced part. Yeah, okay, sometimes it will do that. It might change speeds for a few times, but, so, got this, 33-year-old VCR back up and working. Awesome. Just wanted to show you the good news, so, see you guys later.